Greetings, ITC. Enigma here, showing you how to create events and ops for your amazing ships that you have acquired for crews, for running bunkers and bounties, all kinds of things that you guys want to do in the game together. We want you guys to be able to group up. All members in ITC are highly encouraged to go and spin up events, create operations, and ping appropriate groups as necessary to go ahead and get some serious and some fun content started. To get started with creating events, all you need to do is realize that there are two things that we require for you when creating an event. One, you're going to create a Discord event calendar, and then you're also going to go down to Citizen Operations, which is in our Star Citizen channel here. And in this channel here, you're going to go ahead and create an Apollo event and post that information of that operation into here. Instructions on how to do this are included in the pins at the top right. As with every other channel in ITC, instructions for those channels are, they should be in the pins. If we're missing any data or if it's out of date, yell at us, let us know, we'll get it fixed up for you. But for now, just to show you real quick how to create an event, we're going to go to the event calendar here at the top left of the Discord, and we're going to create an event. Say I want to do a mining operation. I want to go ahead and select somewhere else, because you could set it up with a specific voice channel. Let's say maybe you're running a bounty or a bunker, or if you're doing Ghost Hollow Jumptown, specific event to that, you can go ahead and select that voice channel. And anytime someone joins the event, they'll get thrown straight to that channel. But for now, in general, we would recommend you guys create it as a somewhere else location, and just give it a name such as like your own personal voice channel, which would be, I guess, Enigma's Mining Op or something like that. And we'll just go hit next. Here's the event title. I just call it Mining Op. I'll go ahead and set it for tomorrow when I'm off of work, which would be around here 6 o'clock p.m. This is all times relative to you when you're creating the events, and it will convert it for anyone else who is reading it after the fact in their own time zone. We're going to give this, let's see, 2-hour operation time, because most operations, most crews, most events last at least 2 hours, so I would definitely include for that time. Description here, we go mining in my new mole. Need crew. I'm going to upload a cover image. Highly recommend it to go ahead and get the creative juices flowing out there. Typically what I like to do is, since I don't have any images here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google and search for, let's see, mole miner, Star Citizen. And I can go to the image search for Google. Hey, there's a mole. Click on this, right click that, go down to copy link, add, or copy image address. Copy image address, come back here, upload cover image, and I can just paste this right here into the file name. It'll actually download it into a temp folder. In Windows, it'll automatically delete itself after a while. And just hit open, it'll download it, it'll also upload it at the same time. Bam, there it is. I can adjust it, scale the size, hit apply. Boom, there we go. I have an image, I'm gonna hit next. Here's my op as that's gonna look when it's in the calendar. Hit create event. It will create the event and it should show it on the calendar. Come on, let's go. There we go, and you can copy the event link, which we're gonna need that eventually. Just close that. Here's the event calendar now with your op on top, or at least because it's the most recent one in this case. You can click on interest if you're interested in it, or if you need to share the event, you can just go here and share, hit copy, and you'll have a direct link. You can share that with anybody out there in the world to come straight to the event and the event details. What we're going to do next is I'm going to close this event. I'm going to go down to now Citizen Operations, and we're going to create a sign up for it. A sign up doesn't mean that people are 100% committed to it. It just means that they're going to get notified an hour ahead of time before the event begins, so they get reminded to go and join it. We want to go and create that reminder, so we're going to go and use something called Apollo. Now, I like to do Apollo bot creation and commands using our bot channel. I'm going to go and do that now. To access the bot, any of our bots within ITC, you're going to go to the social channel and under bot chat. You can go ahead and right click, and then usually most people have this channel muted because people use this quite often. This is where we control our bots. To go ahead and do the bot here, you're going to do this / command under the question mark on your keyboard. And now you can select all the different bots that we use here. Apollo is what we use, so we're going to click Apollo, and then go down to event. Event is now there, hit enter. It will now Discord message me up here, a direct message. This is a private message to me, no one else can see this. I can even dismiss that. to go to Apollo up here, and it's asking me what I want to do. Where do I want to post this event? Do I want to post this event in the bot chat channel? No, I don't. I want to post it instead in citizen operations. So I'm going to hit 2 in another channel. And if it's smart enough, maybe it might find it here. Let's try citizen operations. Does it find it? Hit enter. It's looking. Maybe it found it. I don't know. We're going to find out. All right. Enter the event title. Title will be mining op. Event description. Come join me in my new mole. Need 3 miners and 2 pilots. 1 to pilot the mole and 1 to pilot a scout ship. That's what we're going to do. We're going to not use the defaults here on the default signups because anyone clicking on tentative, they're not going to get the ping. So we're going to do our own configure signup options here. We should have enough of these configured and added for you to go pick through which signups you need. So we're going to go ahead and add a signup option here. So we're going to do number 2. And here's a list of preloaded ones we've got uploaded here. Laser operator. Yeah, we'll do 7. Let's see. We need laser operator. I also want to continue the sign up option, or I can restrict to certain roles or set a certain capacity. I'm going to hit 1 to just continue with it. I want to have a couple laser operators, and we also need a pilot. So let's go ahead and add another sign up option, number 2 here. And we're going to add a pilot. We don't need Navy per se, just need a pilot. So we'll just do number 10, call it good. And we now have those 2 different roles that you can now opt into for this particular op. We're going to continue, let's see here, with this sign up option, yes. So these are the 2 options here that we've got. And we're going to continue with those options. Hit 1 again. Now set a time zone. I'm in Mountain Time, so that's number 2 up here. This will again convert those times to anyone relative looking at the event. When should the event start? I want to have it start tomorrow at 6 p.m. That's pretty smart. It'll figure out what I want. We're going to do when does the event end? I'll recommend a 2-hour minimum. So I'll do just 2 hours. Do I want the event to repeat? Well, no, I'm not that committed to it, so I'm just going to hit never. Just a one-time event for now. Advanced options, anything fancy? Well, let's see here. Definitely I could finish the event creation, but I want to add some additional stuff because I want to ping roles. We want you guys to ping your fellow corp mates whenever you're getting together a crew or an op or an event or a squad or whatever to go do something fun. You opt into it. If you are tired of the pings, you can always opt out of those pings in the citizen information channel. We highly encourage you guys to go and use that liberally so that you're not getting overwhelmed with pings, but then again you're getting pinged with what you want to do. So to get that started, we're going to mention roles in this particular event creation. This is number 2 here. And since this is mining, we're going to select the citizen miners. Now you could do citizen miners. So I'll just type in citizen miners if I wanted to go and add citizen miners. Or, if it was a Navy op, it could be, I could ping citizen Navy, you can ping citizen Marines, you can ping citizen salvagers, you can ping citizen traders. Those are the ones you could ping right now. They're all the ones that are mentioned currently in the citizen operations, citizen information channel on our Discord. We're going to do citizen miners for this one. And it found it. We're going to continue with the above mentions. We don't need to mention anybody else. Let's see. Well, we do want to add an image. So let's go ahead and add that same image we had before. So let's go and grab that image again. Come back here. Right click, copy image address. Paste it in here. Enter. We now have an image. It's in there. Don't want to change the color. Not restricting sign up. Or not. Let's see. We could allow multiple responses if people wanted to go back, either or. It doesn't really matter. You can come back here and even edit your event after you posted it. Modify, configure anything that you need as well. We don't need to sign up for time when close. We're just going to finish the event creation. We have what we want. And this is what it looks like. The event has been created. Click here to show the event. It should post it in Citizen Operations, assuming it found the channel, and it did. Citizen Operations is right here. Here's the mining op. Here's the information of it. Here's the laser operator pilot. There's even a thread that is created for it. Anyone who joins into it will be added to the thread. And they'll be able to go ahead and communicate, and you guys do some pre-event planning and all that jazz. You'll also get reminders up to 1 hour before, as I said. We do probably also want to pop in here the URL for the actual calendar event in Discord. So I'm going to grab that calendar link here, copy this. I'm going to go ahead and go back and edit this event. Apollo messages me. I'm going to modify the event. Here is the event as it knows it. I'm going to, I can add additional event mentions, or I can add the description here. I'm going to put in the description, so that would be number 2. And I don't want to overwrite the description. I'll just paste in that link right now. I want to copy that description and paste it back down here. So this is how I actually want the description to look. It's going to have that detail and then the link towards that event here. And I'll just, boom, pop down. It says yes, see, no, I'm all done. So I'll just do 1. Event has been edited, updated. Now it has that link, so you click on that. They can see this even fancier. It's all kind of hyperlinked together. I like it that way. I can also make it more fancy. I can right-click on this message here, and I can copy this message link, and I can go to that event on this event up here, and I can go ahead. I should be able to edit the event, hit next, and I can even paste in the link for the op here in citizen operations. So I'm just going to do that. Hit details, next. Maybe this will work. Yeah, that should work. Save the event. Boom. So now people should be able to see that link right here in that calendar. So it's both hyperlinked here, and the citizen op also links back to the Discord event. So it's being advertised in both places, so you get maximum visibility. As I said, you want to set these events, schedule them out at least 1 hour ahead. Once the event has started, all you need to do is just hop into a voice channel. So I'll just hop into maybe a voice channel here. This is a non-push-to-talk channel, so it's a civilian operation. We don't need to have that kind of discipline. I can even rename the channel by simply clicking on Open Chat here, and this gives me the chat, the channel options, and I can rename the channel by clicking this button here, and call it Enigma's Mining Op. And now it has renamed the voice channel to that. Finally, I think that's all I need. Oh, and then you want to start the event. So you go up here to the event Discord channel up here, or sorry, the calendar, the Discord calendar. And you're just going to go ahead and you're going to click on this drop down here and go down to Start Event. And now when the event is started, you click Start. The event is now started. It all shows up here. Everyone joining Discord is going to see this. They can click on Join the Event, and they'll immediately be thrown down into your channel. If you configure this event for, I don't know, actually no, take that back. They're going to click on Join, but they're going to not know what to do. They just click on Event Details and see you got the link here. Hopefully they'll see your channel. If you were to describe where your channel is or what you're doing in your description, people will find you. If you have any questions, ask any leader. We'll be glad to help you out. But this is, in a nutshell, how you create events, the Discord event, and use Apollo Bot to create the citizen operation pingable notification sign up. So looking forward to seeing you guys create some fantastic events. Be creative. We're looking forward to having some great fun with you in the future. All right, you guys have fun. Thanks for watching.